World Cancer Day is celebrated on February 4th. World Cancer Day is an international day to raise awareness of cancer. The main goal of World Cancer Day is to significantly reduce the number of illnesses and deaths caused by cancer. Its aim is to encourage the prevention, early detection, and treatment of cancer. According to the World Health Organization, cancer is one of the leading causes of death worldwide. World Cancer Day was formalized at the first World Cancer Summit in 2000. It was held in Paris and was attended by members of cancer organizations and government leaders from around the world. The Union for International Cancer Control (UICC) was founded in 1993. Based in Geneva, it is a membership association dedicated to the elimination of cancer and the advancement of medical research worldwide. Help close the gap in cancer care and achieve a world without cancer. There are so many different types of cancer that there are various colors and symbols used to mark specific types of cancer and to promote the fight against them. For example, the orange ribbon aims to create awareness of childhood cancer, while the pink ribbon is associated with breast cancer awareness on a global scale. As a symbol of hope for patients and survivors, daffodils are used to symbolize a future where this life-threatening disease no longer exists. Every year on this day, hundreds of events and fundraisers are held around the world, bringing individuals, communities, and organizations together in hospitals, schools, business, markets, community halls, parks, and other locations to raise awareness and provide a powerful reminder that those struck by cancer are not alone and that we all have a responsibility to reduce the global impact of this disease. By raising awareness worldwide, improving education, and coordinating individual, collective, and governmental action, we are working together to imagine a world without cancer, where everyone has access to life-saving cancer treatments and everyone has access to cancer care, no matter who you are or where you live. This is the painting we've done with oil pastels for this special day. Wish you a great World Cancer Day. Cheers!